Hello everyone. I, Kaveri Ramchandra Kapala from Standard 6th, going to tell shortly on disaster management. First, what is disaster, and next, what is disaster management. So in this we will see what is disaster and how many types of disaster and how we have to prevent the disasters, and also first aid. Let's start. What is disaster? A sudden event that causes large scale damage to life, property, and social aspects of nation is called a disaster. There are two types of disaster. Two types of disaster is natural and man-made. Examples of natural disasters: earthquake, tsunamis, floods, storms, and lightning. These are the examples. Examples of man-made disasters: fire in building, road accident, and third, drought. First aid, bleeding. Second, serious burns. Third, minor burns. Fourth, sunstroke. And fifth, snake bite. Remedial and preventive measures. So, number 1, keep watching TV and radio news and bulletins. Heed the warnings issued by the meteorological department carefully. Use the website www.imd.government.in, and we can also prevent by, if there is a news of flood. So if we are living near the bank or near the sea shore, then we can move on to the plains. And if there is a news of an earthquake, then we can prevent by sitting under the table or standing behind the door. And if there is a storm, so we can prevent it by closing the windows and saving the battery storage, because as when there is a storm, then electricity supply goes. Okay. And if we hear that the landslide is going to come, and if we are living in hilly regions, then we must move on to the plains so that we will be saved. Same we can do for man-made disaster also. And if there is fire in buildings, so we can use fire extinguishers and many more. So like this we can prevent before only. So for this, government has established NDMA, that is Natural Disaster Management Authority, which was established in 2005 and which thinks priorly about the disaster and how to manage it. Priorly we have seen first steps. Now we will see the steps if we face that. So first of all, external bleeding. If a person is bleeding, first make him sit or lie down comfortably. Keep the bleeding part of the body above the level of the heart and clean it with germ-free water. Secondly, burns and scalds. Burns are of two types: minor burns and serious burns. Minor burns steps will be: the injured part should be washed with water or held underwater. Second, give the victim water to drink. Third, clean the wounds using a cotton swab soaked in an antiseptic solution. Fourth, do not apply oily ointments. Cover the wounds using dry dressings. And now for serious burns, give emotional support. Cover the wounds with sterilized cloth. Remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. Do not touch or burst the blisters on the skin. Do not apply oily ointments. Do not try to remove the cloth if it is stuck to the burned skin. If the patient is conscious, give water to drink but avoid tea or coffee or other stimulating drinks. Get medical aid at once. Now, third, sunstroke. What is sunstroke? When we work in the sun continuously for a long time, the body loses a lot of water and minerals. That is the reason for sunstroke. Remedial measures: take the patient to a cool place or in the shade. Sponge the whole body with cold water. Place a cloth soaked in cold water on the neck and head. Give plenty of water or liquids like sherbets to drink. If the patient feels like vomiting, make him lie prone, eye on his or her abdomen with the head turned to one side, and get medical help or swift the patient to a hospital. Now, next is snake bite. There are nearly 2000 species of snakes. Of this, only a few snakes like cobras, kraits, vipers, and sea snakes are poisonous. Therefore, all snake bites are not fatal. However, fear causes severe physiological shock which can result in death. If you come across a snake, contact a Sarpamitra rather than killing the snake at once. Remedial measures: wash the wound with water. Second, give emotional support to the patient. Tie a cloth tightly above the wound. Get immediate medical help. Dog bite. In a dog bite, there is a risk of infection through the blood. Hence, first aid and medical help are necessary. Remedial measures: wash the wound with a solution of potassium permanganate or other antiseptic. Cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth. Get a doctor's help and an injection of anti-rabies vaccine. Thank you everyone. Till then stay safe.